Dear students, welcome to the English class. So, I think all of you have enjoyed your Christmas holidays, isn't it? Now, we can come back to our studies. So, take your English textbook, Unit 3, isn't it? Unit 3, the give and take of life. We took a portion of that lesson, isn't it? That is page number 26 we completed. So, we can just revise that portion. So, Unit 3, give and take of life. So, who was the king of Katia? Who was the king? Kutuputtu. Kutuputtu was the king of that island. What do you mean by island? Island is a piece of land surrounded by water, isn't it? Island is a piece of land surrounded by water. Who was the king? In that island, in the island of Katia, Kutuputtu. Kutuputtu was the king of the island in a small island in Katia. Okay, yes. What happened one day? What happened? The king was sleeping, isn't it? Who came in the king's dream? ആരാ വന്നത് കിങ്ങിൻ്റെ സ്വപ്നത്തിൽ? Who came into this dream? One angel, isn't it? One angel came to his dream and told. The angel എന്താ പറഞ്ഞ? What did the angel say? Yes, I grant you a boon. If anyone of you falls sick, just take care of a sip of water and pray to me. എന്താ ഏഞ്ചൽ പറഞ്ഞ? What did the angel say? ഏഞ്ചൽ ഒരു ബൂൺ കൊടുത്തു. ബൂൺ എന്താ? വരം, അനുഗ്രഹം അല്ലേ? വരം അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അനുഗ്രഹം കൊടുത്തു. What was that boon? എന്തായിരുന്നു ബൂൺ? If any one of you fall ill, sick, anybody of you falls sick, what else you do? You must take a sip of river water and pray to me. ഇതായിരുന്നു ഏഞ്ചൽ പറഞ്ഞത്. വാട്ട് ദ ഏഞ്ചൽ സേ? ആരെങ്കിലും സുഖമില്ലാതായ റിവർ വാട്ടർ ഒരു സിപ്പ് എടുത്തിട്ട് എന്നെ പ്രാർത്ഥിച്ചാൽ എല്ലാം സുഖപ്പെടും. യു വിൽ ബി ക്യൂർഡ് ക്വിക്ക്ലി. ഇതായിരുന്നു ദിസ് വാസ് ദ ഏഞ്ചൽസ് ബൂൺ. ബട്ട് this will happen only if you be good to the river. You have to be careful. പക്ഷേ but what did the angel say? Boon means anugraham. This boon will be possible. How? Only one condition. What was the condition? You must keep the river water clean. River water must be clean. Then only this boon will be applicable, said the angel to the king. Okay, saying this, the angel disappeared. ഇത് പറഞ്ഞുകൊണ്ട് angel disappeared means went away, go away. Disappeared, കാണാതായി. Kutuputtu shared the dream with all his people. What did Kutuputtu do? Kutuputtu told this dream all to the people. All the people were very happy. They took great care of the river. All the people, what did they do? They took care to make the river water clean. They always was very careful to keep the river water clean, and nobody was allowed to dirty it. Dirty it means ചീത്തയാക്കാൻ ആരെ അനുവദിച്ചില്ല. Nobody dirtied the water. Okay, yes. Now take page number 27. All of you take page number 27. Okay, yes. Many years passed happily. People in that island lived for a longer time as they were healthy. This increased their population. The demand for water to increase. Slowly, the people became careless. They bathed their animals in the river, washed clothes and littered it. The river became polluted. Okay, what happened? Many years passed. കുറേ കൊല്ലങ്ങൾ പോയി. What happened then? People in the island lived for a longer time. All of them were healthy. The people in the island of Katia were very healthy. They were very healthy. And what happened? This increased their population. What do you mean by population? Population means number of the people living in that place, in the Katia, in that island of Katia. Population means ജനസംഖ്യ. Okay, ജനസംഖ്യ increase, കൂടിപ്പോയി. the demand for water also increased. When the population increased, ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ what will happen? The demand if there are many people, what happened? The demand for water also increased. കുറേ ജനസംഖ്യ കൂടിയപ്പോൾ വെള്ളത്തിനുള്ള ഡിമാൻഡും കൂടിപ്പോയി, isn't it? All of them want water to drink, water to wash clothes, isn't it? So slowly people became careless. What did the people do? They became very careless. careless ആയി. Who? The people എല്ലാവരും careless ആയി. What did they do? They bathed their animals in the river, washed clothes, and made the river water polluted means dirtied, spoiled the river water. മലിനീകരിക്കുക. The river water became polluted. Why? How it became polluted? Because the people began to wash their clothes, wash the animals. ഇതൊക്കെ ചെയ്തപ്പോൾ what happened? The water became polluted. So you can see in the picture, see what one animal is there washing the clothes, animal is in the river water. All this made the river water polluted. Okay, next paragraph. One day Kutuputtu fell sick. He took a sip of water, river water, gulp, gulp, gulp. Nothing happened. He was not cured. Some other people also who were sick tried the water. Nothing happened to them too. Kutuputtu became sad. He prayed to the angel. Oh blissful angel, help us. This river cures us no more. One day what happened? Kutuputtu fell sick. Sick means sugalyadai. Okay. He took a sip of water. What did he do? He took a sip of water. Angel told, isn't it? Angel told, if anybody falls sick, you can take a sip of river water and pray to me, then you will be cured, said the angel. That was the boon of the angel. But what did they do? Then Kutuputtu fell ill. King, when he fell ill, what did he do? He took a sip of water and prayed to the angel, but nothing happened. But he was not cured. Some other people also were sick. Other people also became sick, but nobody was cured. ആരും സുഖപ്പെട്ടില്ല. Okay, why? Because the river water was polluted, isn't it? What was the condition that the angel told? What was the condition? The river water must be clean. Then only the people who fall ill will be cured. Next paragraph. Kutuputtu became sad. He prayed to the angel, oh blissful angel, help us. The river cures us no more. The angel appeared. She smiled. Oh mighty king, this is the give and take of life. The river was your lifeline. You treated it badly and made it dirty. How can it be good to you? Kutuputtu and the people understood what the angel wanted to tell them. They realized their mistake. From that day, everyone in the island took great care of the river. The water became clean and the people got their boon back. Yes, Kutuputtu became sad. Kutuputtu was sad because he was ill, no? And he prayed to the angel. Angel prayed. What did when he prayed, angel appeared. Angel came in front of him. Appeared, pratyakshappettu. And what did the angel say? She smiled and said, oh mighty king, this is a give and take of life. Because you spoiled the river water, that's why give and take of life means കൊടുത്തതേ തിരിച്ചു കിട്ടും. Okay, because they spoiled the river water, that's why the boon was not treating the people well. So you treated badly and made it dirty, so it can be not cured. Kutuputtu and the people of the island realized, understood, മനസ്സിലാക്കി അല്ലേ, തെറ്റുപറ്റിയത് മനസ്സിലാക്കി. From that day onwards, they took great care of the river water. അന്ന് മുതൽ എല്ലാവരും നന്നായി ശ്രദ്ധിച്ചു. The water became clean. Once again the river water became clean and the people got their boon back. And then they got their boon. Boon means anugraham, isn't it? They got their boon back. Okay, students, read this lesson many times, 5 times. Okay, repeatedly many times you read it, so we can continue in the next class. Thank you.